Get some factual and fiction. A little crazy, little sexy, little cool.